Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. Today we're going to make buffalo cauliflower bites. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is cut up some cauliflower. I'm going to try to make it as even as possible in size. It just helps it cook better. Okay, I have it pretty even in size, so now I'm just going to place it in the air fry pan. And then I'm going to coat it with some avocado oil. I'm just going to pour it over the top. I do not use the spray in the pans because I have the non-stick pans. And over time, the aerosol will wear off the non-stick coating. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm not even going to add salt or pepper or anything to it right now. I'm just going to pop it in the air fryer. Air fry 400 degrees for 7 minutes. So while the cauliflower is cooking the first half, 7 minutes, I'm going to make the sauce. So I have 2 tablespoons melted Kerrygold butter. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of buffalo sauce. And I like the Texas Pete. I just use the extra mild. It's pretty spicy to me. And then salt and pepper. Maybe a half a teaspoon. Not too much. Mix it up. And just wait for the cauliflower florets to finish. When they're through, you can see that they'll be brown in some of the areas where they're starting to fry up. I'm just going to remove it and place it into the bowl. And they're semi-fried, so they're going to be a little crunchy. The wing sauce had 1 carb, and you can put it in Ziploc bags. You can rotate it around. I don't want to shake it. I just am going to rotate in the bowl to get them coated. So I want to get them coated real well. Kind of have the little head part of the cauliflower soak it in. Those little bristles will take in a lot if you'll let it. So this takes a little bit of time, a minute or so. But it just adds all that extra flavor if you'll get them coated well. Then I'm going to just add them back to the pan. Place them back. 400, 7 more minutes. There you have it. These make an excellent side dish or an excellent snack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.